Hey guys, welcome back. Last reminder, I will be at the Chicago Auto Show Tuesday, February 13th. If you'd like to come and see me and check out some cars together, I will be there. Again, Chicago Auto Show at the McCormick Place Tuesday, February 13th. Come find me. It's been a little while since I've been in a second gen Panamera. The last one I did was really good. Let's see if this one is just as good. Let's see how it does. Just a little bit of minor squeakage around these rear vents. Love these magnetic hinged doors on Panameras. Not sure why every company doesn't do that. $9,800 miles. And now my favorite part of any Porsche video, the button test. Alright, so the last second-gen Panamera that I reviewed was awesome, and this one is also awesome. Pretty much nothing in here squeaked, and the little bit of squeaks that were in here, they actually went away after hitting the same spot again, which tells me that the material was settling a little bit, and it's nothing to be worried about. Otherwise, I think there was just one lingering squeak up here. I think it was around the air vents here. Otherwise, wow, this thing was squeakless. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I'd be willing to give this a 10 out of 10 for fit and finish. The last car I did, I gave it a 9 out of 10 for fit and finish because of the air vent area again, but also the overhead console made a little bit more noise than I wanted, whereas this one seemed to be pretty okay. So yeah, I'm going to just stick with a 10 out of 10. This was really impressive. For materials, this is honestly the same as the last car I did. I'll go over it again with you. All soft touch vinyl in your main areas, on the dash, even below your knees. Very good material there. No problem with hard crappy plastic. The main trim in here is slightly disappointing. It is this fake piano black veneer thing that shows little swirls and scratches and whatnot. Every new car manufacturer seems to put this in their cars for some reason. I'm not a big fan of it unless it's the real deal. It's a little bit hard for me to tell if these are real leather seats or not. They're not the softest, but I have been fooled before. Audi has a similar seat in their A-series cars that felt this way, and I thought they were fake leather, and it turns out they were real. So this might just be a lower grade, because I know you can get a much softer leather in both Audi and Porsche, so I'm going to stick with real leather on this, even though I could be mistaken. Both the sun visor and the headliner are cloth. And if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I love Porsche buttons and switchgear due to their tightness and their clickiness. No exception here. These are honestly some of the nicest feeling buttons in the business right now. The only better ones I can think of immediately are maybe from Bentley or something like that. But these buttons are great. Very high quality. This whole interior is actually pretty high quality. It's screwed together very well. You can kind of tell that the people who built this car actually care about cars, which I think is beautiful. I'm going to give this the same material score that I gave the last Panamera, 7 out of 10 for materials. Normally a car with these kind of materials would be a 6. I think the extra nice buttons deserves a 7. So there you guys have it. Your final score is 10 out of 10 for fit and finish, 7 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your thoughts. I didn't drive this particular car around. I'm not going to, but I've driven the other second generation Panamera a few times actually, and I gotta tell you, this is one of my favorite sedans of all time in terms of the driving experience. Out of all the cars I've been in my career of cars, the second generation Panamera has the absolute best compromise between luxury and sport. It's big, it's spacious, comfortable, quiet, just like a luxury car, but boy, it handles like a sports car. This is a big car, by the way, and it feels like a 3 Series. It feels better than a 3 Series, actually, going around corners and curves and whatnot. I don't know how the hell Porsche does it, but this car just gives you so much confidence. It's unreal. Anyway, I'm starting to sound like a Porsche geek here. This channel is not sponsored, by the way. So far, and I know it's only February, this is my favorite car of the year, is this Panamera. Let's see if something better comes by. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Catch me at the auto show if you can, and I'll see you next time. Peace.